What's up, everybody? Safe to Fire BB gun. Back at it again with another video. Today, I'm going to be shooting that stainless steel target with all those BB holes, not holes, marks to it. So just keep watching. Stay tuned. I gotta actually reload my gun because I made another video. It did not record any of this happening, so I have to redo it. So, yeah, just enjoy it, I guess. I gotta put more BBs in the clip, so hold on. I'm actually using these BBs. Craftsman stainless steel. Sorry guys, that's really hard to pick up. Yeah guys, I'm going to be shooting that silver thing that already has been shot up for the last video that I've done. But the last video didn't catch anything. It literally like fell down and didn't catch one thing. I gotta make sure this don't fall down and catch not one thing. I gotta make sure it catches everything. So I did like a lot of work to do this. It's pretty annoying. Is how far it zooms in? Not bad. As long as you can see it. Alright, as you can see it. Okay. Putting the gun in the mag, as you can hear. Now I'm loading the gun. Oh, I just jammed it. I jammed it. Are you kidding me? I jammed the gun, guys. I gotta redo it real quick. Sorry, I gotta redo this. I jammed the gun. Don't ever happen to me, but it don't ever happen to me, but today it did. I guess not. I guess it didn't jam. I just didn't shove the clip in there right. That's good news. Guys, I didn't put the clip in there right. Okay, ready guys? Okay, now it's loaded and it's ready. I gotta put my glasses on so I don't mess myself up while doing this. Oh, I missed. Okay, you can see it, thank God. Just want you guys to see it. I need to put a hole in it already. Guys, I have like probably 5 more shots left. I don't leave the video. Alright, it's empty. It's empty. Okay, I'm gonna pick the camera up somehow. Okay, it's empty. I emptied the clip. I emptied the clip out. So if you want to take a look, I'll show you real quick, see what it did. So yeah, let's take a look. Guys, look. BBs everywhere, man. BBs everywhere. Okay, we gotta look what we did. I mean, it's not that bad. That's not that bad, right? That's not bad. No, that's actually pretty bad. For a spring pistol, that's not bad. But for it being a 1911, that's pretty bad. Yeah, because the gun I'm shooting, guys, is a 1911. The thing back here, right here, is this will not shoot through. The BBs will not go through. They will not fly through that. They will not fly through this. But they will stick in this wall. There's a couple holes somewhere around here that there has been BBs in the wall. but I have pile BBs from like last video. So yeah, look at that craziness. BBs all over the floor. I don't know why. Gold, silver. But yeah, I gotta keep shooting it until it rips. I'm gonna keep shooting until it rips. Okay, everybody, I've set the camera back down. I'm gonna shoot it a few more times. Just probably another 2 clip or 1 clip. So yeah, I'm gonna do that real quick. Let me load this up though. Okay guys, I have now the gun ready. Clips going in the gun. Loading it. Glasses on. Fire. I hit it? I wasn't looking, I was trying to look through the phone. Did I hit it? Did that fly back and hit my box? Okay, that one flew back. Dude, I messed up the camera angle a little bit. There you go. Yeah, you gotta go. Did I hit it? It is. Oh my god, 2 shot out, guys. 2 bullets shot out of the gun. I gotta go get this one fixed, man. Alright, that is crazy. There you go, shot all the clip. That is all for today. I done shot this up a lot. So yeah, I want you to comment down below how much times I've shot this. I want you to comment down below how much times I've shot this. Okay? So I want you to comment and see how much times I shot it. I'm pretty sure I shot it at least 20 times, but if I did, then yeah, peace out.